Fellow board members, we have a problem. Somebody in the world of Warcraft is ignoring the world's rules and is going around killing innocent players.
Get fucked, homeo! Get fucked! Get fucked! Get fucked!
And he grows stronger every day. Jesus. I've got to get home. My kids are playing World of Warcraft right now. Jim, your kids' characters are already dead. No. No. They just started playing!
What kind of person would do this?
Only one kind. Whoever this person is, he has played World of Warcraft nearly every hour of every day for the past year and a half. Gentlemen, we are dealing with someone here who has absolutely no life.
Killing spree. Double kill.